If you've ever chopped an onion, you know the moment it happens. One slice is fine, another slice is fine, and then suddenly your eyes burn, your vision blurs, and tears pour down as if something heartbreaking just happened. But scientists studying food chemistry, including researchers in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, have shown that this reaction has nothing to do with emotion and everything to do with biology. Inside every onion are tiny compartments filled with different chemicals. One holds sulfur-containing molecules. Another holds special enzymes. As long as the onion is whole, those chemicals stay separate. But the moment your knife cuts through the layers, the compartments burst open. The enzymes and sulfur compounds finally mix, and that mixture forms a gas with a dramatic name, the lachrymatory factor. This gas is incredibly good at getting your attention. It drifts upward because it's light, and as soon as it reaches your eyes, it reacts with the moisture on the surface. That reaction creates a mild sulfuric acid, just enough to irritate the delicate nerves around your cornea. Your eyes don't wait to analyze what it is. They immediately go into defense mode, releasing tears to wash the irritant away. The sting you feel isn't the gas burning you. It's your nerves sounding the alarm. And the more you blink or rub your eyes, the more the irritation spreads, which is why the tears sometimes come harder the more you try to stop them. What's even more interesting is why onions evolved this trick in the first place. The lachrymatory factor is a natural defense mechanism designed to discourage animals from eating the plant. It doesn't know you're just trying to cook dinner. It's reacting as if something is attacking it. Once you understand the chemistry, the whole experience makes a strange kind of sense. It's not your knife that causes the tears. It's biology defending itself, interacting with biology defending you. If this reveals the science behind your kitchen tears, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay curious.